this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2020 Ford Escape SE. Coming in this nice blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got that dual exhaust with a backup camera. We got a little roof spoiler, we got mud flaps on the rear and front with silver and black accents along this vehicle, blind spot detection. We do get a nice remote start with this vehicle. It's pretty nice for those cold winter months. License plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look at the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You can collapse your last row if you need additional storage. You got 12-volt hooks, storage underneath, which is all pretty handy. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray and black cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back, floor mats, carpet interior, adjustable rear seats, USB and USB-C with rear vents, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front. You got your lights, trunk or hood all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting 19,842 kilometers. We do get this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle for your screen, voice, phone and media, volume mute, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we do get our information about the vehicle, trip 1, my view, driving assist, navigation, audio, phone, and your information again. To my right, we got our drive modes, auto, stop, auto start. For your drive modes, you do get normal, eco, sport, slippery, and deep sand and snow. Got your auto hold, parking brake, gear select, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets. You do get storage in your center console with a USB-C. We have our climate controls right here with heated front seats, hazards and media, storage below. And looking here, we have navigation, audio, phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got our phone controls right here. Your navigation, pretty easy to use. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay, or not Apple CarPlay, SiriusXM travel link. Settings such as your Ford Pass, vehicle, driving assist, voice control, valet mode, navigation, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is UB10324A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.